Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Hey there, little artists, and grown-up artists too. Today, we're drawing Marshal from PAW Patrol. Grab your markers, pencils, and let's have some pup-tastic fun together. Whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, let's make some art. Hey, I just got a great idea. How about in today's drawing session, we invite mom or dad to join us for some extra fun. Let's see if they can help us spot all the PAW Patrol friends along the way. I bet they might miss a few. What do you think? Ready for some family fun together? Start by drawing an oval shape, slightly curved, to form the rim of Marshal's helmet. This will help set the width and angle of the helmet and define the size of the drawing. Above the rim, draw the top part of the helmet. It should curve upwards with a rounded shape and have a slight point at the center. Add a small line at the peak to indicate where the helmet folds. Now that we've finished the helmet, we can use it as a guide to see how big Marshal's head should be and exactly where to place his snout. Position the nose below the helmet at a distance about the height of the helmet. To the sides and slightly above the nose position, draw two large circles for Marshal's eyes. Add smaller circles inside each eye for the pupils, and leave a little white spot in each for that friendly sparkle. From the nose, draw a snout that extends downward and to the side. Add an open mouth with a playful tongue sticking out to one side, making the tongue wide and rounded at the end. Let's draw the outline of Marshal's head. A curving line from under the mouth going upwards to the helmet, but leave some space to draw the ear. Add a floppy left ear that hangs down beside his cheek, giving him a cute, friendly look. And add little spots for his Dalmatian pattern. Between the helmet rim and eyes, draw a small area to represent Marshal's forehead. Make sure the helmet sits low on his head, giving the forehead a snug fit. Draw two short lines extending down from his head for the neck. Around it, add a collar with a small circle in the center for his badge. Look who's here to party. Chase and Skye can't resist a good dance. Ha! Those guys are so funny. Below the collar, draw a rounded chest and two front legs extending downwards. Make them slightly bent to show he's sitting. Marshal is the official firefighter and paramedic pup of the PAW Patrol team. His job is to put out fires and help anyone who's hurt. As a Dalmatian, Marshal has unique black spots all over his body. Did you know that no two Dalmatians have the same spots? Marshal is known for being super silly and a bit clumsy. He often trips or crashes, but he always gets right back up with a big smile. Finish by drawing Marshal's rear legs positioned to the side with one visible paw. Add a thin curved tail at the back. Don't forget to add some spots on his body and tail for extra detail. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.